Hey there people, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office on your phone. Open the Google Play Store. The Play Store is the official app marketplace where Android users can safely download and install applications, games and tools for their smartphones. Once the Play Store is open, go to the search screen and type Microsoft Office. In most cases, you will find the official app called Microsoft 365 Office. After you find the app, tap on it to open the app page. Here you can see details about the app, including screenshots, user reviews, ratings, and a description of its features. The Microsoft Office app allows you to create, edit, and view documents using popular tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint all in one place. Next, tap the Install button. Your phone will begin downloading the app and the installation will start automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips and useful tech tutorials.